Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a color button in a Windows Forms application using C#. This is a great way to enhance the interactivity and visual appeal of your application. So, let's dive right in and start coding. Open Visual Studio and create a new project. Here, I'm using Visual Studio 2019. Select Windows Forms App, .NET Framework, name your project as desired. And choose a storage location that suits your needs. It's recommended to select the highest .NET Framework available. Add a panel to the Windows form. Then set its dock property to left to position it on the left side of the form, covering half of the form. After that, change the panel's background color to black. You'll notice that as the mouse approaches or leaves the button, there's no visual feedback or color change. The button's appearance stays the same, regardless of the mouse's position. In this section, we're going to create a custom button class that changes color when the mouse enters and leaves the button. Click on Solution Explorer, then right-click on the project name, select Add, and then choose Class. After that, name the class according to your preference. It's best to choose a name related to button, so it's easy to find and remember. Go back to Form1, right-click, and choose View Code, or press F7 on your keyboard. Copy all the using system directives that are used, then paste them into the class you created. To access the properties of the button class, the class you're creating will inherit from the button class. Create properties that make it easy for users to change colors as desired. The properties should include mouse leave color, mouse enter color, and active button color. For data security, the properties will be encapsulated. In Visual Studio, you can automatically create encapsulated properties by selecting the property, waiting for the light bulb icon to appear, clicking the drop-down arrow next to the icon, and then selecting Encapsulate Field. Group the properties using the category attribute to make them easier to find during configuration. Add a constructor to the class to ensure that the settings are properly initialized when the class is started. Add mouse enter and mouse leave events to capture the mouse movement when it enters or leaves the button area. Add the following code to ensure that when the mouse leaves the button, it changes back to its original color. Add the following code to ensure that when the mouse enters the button, it changes to the desired color, and when the mouse leaves, it reverts to the original color. To compile everything, right-click on the class you created and select Rebuild. Make sure that the result shows Succeeded to confirm that the compilation was successful. To view the class you created, click on the toolbox, scroll to the top, and find the name of the class you created. Drag it onto Form 1 to test it. Then, configure all the color properties that you set up. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on creating a custom color button in Windows Forms. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to make your buttons more dynamic and visually engaging. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave any questions or feedback in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.